Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest Instagram update and showing you how to enable notifications for group requests on your PC. Staying updated on group activities can enhance your social experience, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your profile. Once you're in, look to the left bottom corner of your screen. You'll find a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Click on it to expand the menu. Next, from the menu options, navigate to Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Notifications section. This is where all your notification preferences are housed. Now, under the Notification settings, click on Push Notifications. This option allows you to manage how you receive alerts from Instagram. Finally, look for the section labeled Group Requests. Here, you'll see an option to toggle notifications. Click on to enable notifications for group requests. Now you'll receive alerts whenever someone invites you to a group, ensuring you never miss out on the fun. And there you have it. Following these simple steps will help you stay connected and informed about group activities on Instagram directly from your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and tips. Happy Instagramming!